the role assignment in Azure. So if I go to my resources and see, like, okay, let's not just go to all resources, go to only virtual machines. I have a few virtual machine here, and if I click on one of them, I will see like here activity log access control, and then if I go to access control, I see it's empty, and then if I add some assignment, role assignment. So once come to role assignment, I can define what role, owner, contributor, or reader, but we have also repeated with more specific. So virtual machine administrator, contributor, let's say virtual machine contributor, assign access to virtual machine, so here, and then here select trailer. But if I said user group and services principal, uh, so so if I keep it like this, I can either select a group or a user. So I'll go to this one, I will assign this only for this one, and I will create save. And now this user have a role assignment. And let's go to the user and see what happened in the other user. So if I open new page and I'll kill like portal Azure, and I will use credential this one, and password was Azure user 123 question mark. Now I need to give authentication from my phone, so I will open my authenticator and say approve, and now it's approved. I will continue now and see what this root user can do, this one user. So if I go to test one virtual machine, and I see here summary, please provide below's info asking support timestamp correlation and so on. If we go back here, what happened here, role assignment, I see this one have role assignment, and now I see added role. So if I go home again and I say like, okay, refresh this page, and here, now I see this user have access to this virtual machine. He can click on it, maybe check the size and resize it maybe. So resize, but I'm using free trailer, I don't have any option to resize, it's already the cheapest one. And price presented estimate, okay, if I say B1MS resize, now I cannot resize here, not because of the user but because of web server was disallowed by policy. I have policy of using this, so I need to delete the policy. So let's see if this user can do deleting a policy, since I didn't mention any limitation in this. So if I go and check definitions and check assignment, and it seems like this user does not have access to the policy I created previously. And also now we have a blueprint here in a preview. However, I go back home and I try to delete this web server 01, and actually I don't want to delete this web server 01, so I will go back to the admin account and I will go to virtual machine again, and in virtual machine I have a few options, and assign tag, no, I don't want to assign more tags, but here not manage view reservation, and I don't want to add any more machines. So but my user, I will give him access only for this, so I will click on this and say assign, Go again, role assignment, and let's say add row assignment, and I will add it to this one user. I will add him as virtual machine contributor, and I selected this user. No, I don't want me. And now I will save this. Okay, and I will remove the policy. No, I will not remove the policy. I will just go out and back and see the updates. And it seems like not yet updated. I refresh the page and see what's the difference now. Still not yet. Even here I have notification that's added role assignment. So if I refresh one more time, no, this user still doesn't. Let's check and see what's going on here. And if we go to access control roles, by the way, I can assign to a group the whole group. So this user is virtual machine contributor, and he is here. And if I click on virtual machine one more time, let's say if this user going to add his own virtual machine, so as a contributor, can he do that? And he doesn't have the privilege to use the resource group, but I will give a new like user RG resource group. Can he create a new resource group? User RG. You don't have a permission to create a resource group, and if you don't have a permission to create a resource group, then you cannot create any new virtual machine. So go again. Now I see it. I see my machine. If I go here, I cannot use existing subscription. So okay, so I will go to this server and I want to delete it. Okay, warning, and then I will say yes, delete it, confirm. So this user can delete virtual machine and can edit it. Like if he can delete it, he can edit it, but I couldn't edit it because of the policy. So deleting the virtual machine. Go to home. Executing the deletion or delete. Can see that also an activity log. So activity log for user, he can see only the activity related to him. He cannot see all the activity, which is good. And what else does user have option on? Like he is a virtual machine contributor and is a resource group. Can he create a resource group? No, the answer is no, but here, so obviously he cannot create it. Okay, go back to our home page and check the notification. Now, first one machine is deleted. Okay, and if we go to the admin and go to virtual machine, we still see our virtual machine. Maybe we need to refresh. Yes, now our virtual machine is deleted. So this is the role assignment. Thank you.